Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Aisha Marketing Valley and I'm the student of Rehan School Online Academy and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest with me, my sister, and we will be having a friendly conversation about her life experience and journey. So first of all, thank you so much for expecting my invitation and it's great to have with us. So welcome in our interview.
Thank you.
Okay, so first of all, please introduce yourself a little bit.
I'm Farah Amjad. I just got my MPhil degree in English Literature from WIFA International University.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Faisalabad.
Okay, so how would your family describe you in one sentence?
Farah, you are lazy.
Okay, so if you had to describe yourself in three words, what would they be?
Okay, incredible, inevitable, invincible.
Okay, so what does a normal day in your life look like?
When there is rain in my city, and when I eat something like sweet,
Okay, so what's your happiest childhood memory?
my happiest childhood memory when my mother cooks delicious food for me, especially for me, and buy me beautiful dresses.
Okay, so what was your dream job as a child?
My dream job was as a childhood. I wanted to become a doctor.
Okay, so did you achieve that dream? If not, what changed?
I didn't achieve that dream because I thought it was not my cup of tea at that time. And being an MBA student, it's so hectic to do all the study and then job. So after my FSC in pre-medical, I I got admission in BS English Literature.
Okay, so what's something people usually misunderstand about you? Hmm? Okay, so next question. If you would go back 5 years, what advice would you give yourself?
Uh, I would like to give a good advice to myself that it's okay to be weak sometimes. Everything will go as planned, and if something is not going to your as you planned,
Okay, so what makes you genuinely happy?
when I eat ice cream,
Okay, so uh,
and my friends happy in their life and doing great, it makes me happy.
so what does success means to you?
Um, Success, yes. I think success is when the loved ones feel so confident and uh, being happy in their life despite the struggles they are facing. And
Okay, so what's one habit you are trying to improve in yourself?
I have anger issues, and I am practicing become a calm person when people triggers me the most, and I want to become a calm because it's a sunnah, and I have to follow.
Okay, so if you could instantly master one talent, what would it be?
I want to become a baker.
Okay. So, what is your guilty pleasure?
Guilty pleasure. Um, my guilty pleasure is yes, my guilty pleasure is when people triggers me to the end level, and so I have to react in the opposite way what they expect from me. So yes, this is my guilty pleasure.
Okay, so are you an introvert or extrovert?
I am ambivert person. It depends what kind of people I'm around.
Okay, so what's the best compliment you have ever received?
Okay, once I was offering a prayer and my friend said, "पता मुझे सुकून मिलता है जब मैं तुम्हें नमाज पढ़ते हुए देखती हूँ." And that was the best compliment ever.
Okay, so what's your favorite way to spend a weekend?
My favorite way to spend a weekend when I went for outing. When I usually go with my friends for outing, and we eat at cafes or restaurant, and then we usually come back home in evening.
Okay, so what's your comfort food?
Sorry,
What's your comfort food?
comfort mood.
Ji.
My comfort mood when I'm happy.
Okay, so what's your favorite movie or like drama or TV show?
Uh, Nowadays I'm watching Lockup. It's an Indian series, and I enjoy it the most.
Okay, so what's one embarrassing moment you can laugh about now?
Uh, Once a time, I asked a random person, like, she was talking about foreign things, like, I don't know, I don't remember that. But I was trying to ask about her country, but I asked, in which city do you live? And she was like, I was living abroad and I'm going to Germany. So I just shopping for different things,
Okay,
stuff
so
like that.
okay, so what's your biggest red flag?
My biggest red flag is I usually get too attached to the people, and it's my biggest red flag.
Okay, so what's one green flag you always appreciate in people?
When people respect my boundaries, and when they usually talk in a decent way, lower their tone when it irritates me.
So, did you believe first impression are always right?
No, I don't believe the first impression is always right because people change day to day in their lives, and we don't know what they're gonna do next. So I don't believe in that.
Yes. So, if your life was a movie, what would a title be?
The roller coaster ride.
Oh my God. Okay. So, what's one thing people should stop worrying about?
Their future, because Allah is the bestest planner, and He plans everything for you.
No, but Dua can edit the script.
Yes, we can change the script by making dua can be acceptable. But yes, Sometimes we shouldn't worry about our future.
Okay, so according to you, how has social media changed people's lives?
Back in the time, people usually gather together, sit together, and talk about their worries and the things they are facing in their lives. But right now, social media uh, just vanish this reality, and people usually scroll down their Instagram, Facebook, and forget about the worries and problems other people are facing in their lives, and don't bother to ask how they are going in their lives, even though they are close friends or family members.
Hmm. So, what do you think about AI tools like ChatGPT?
I AI tools are good. Sometimes they do help you in your studies or work, but back in the days when people usually don't have AI, they search each and every things, open 5 to 10 tabs at a time, and search their material. And they usually use their brain in their work. But right now, AI do their all the work, and people forget about to use your their mind to do some basic things. They ask each and every advice from ChatGPT, from AI, like depends on it, and it's a good
Yes.
thing.
Hmm. So, what was your future goals?
My future goals: I want to get a PhD degree, then doctorate. I want to build my own home in which my family will live happily.
Okay, so what was your favorite celebrity, like actress or actress?
My favorite celebrity is Hamza Liabasi,
Okay, why?
because he's handsome and charming. His height is like six point. I don't know.
Okay, so if you could swap lives with someone for a one day, who would it be?
I will swap my life with Trump so I can give some advice to him. I took some good decisions in his life, so he can do some good work, and then for one day.
Okay, so who was your role model?
My role model is my mother.
Hmm, okay, so there is a रैपिड फायर राउंड सो इसके अंदर ये रूल है कि आपने जो है वो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी जवाब देना है यानी जो आपके माइंड में फर्स्ट वर्ड आएगा आपने वही सिलेक्ट करना है ठीक है सो
Okay,
फर्स्ट टी और कॉफी
coffee,
पिज्ज़ा और बिरयानी
pizza,
नेटफ्लिक्स और यूट्यूब
Netflix,
मॉर्निंग और नाइट
night,
माउंटेन्स और बीच
mountains,
कैट्स और डॉग
cats,
इंस्टाग्राम और टिकटॉक
Instagram,
मनी और फेम
money,
ओके लव और करियर
career,
समर और विंटर
winter,
कॉल और टेक्स्ट
text,
स्वीट और स्पाइसी
sweet,
बुक और मूवी
sorry,
बुक्स और मूवीज
movies,
सिटी और विलेज
city,
ट्रेवल और स्टे होम
stay at home,
एंड्रॉयड और आईफोन
Android,
ओके सो वन वर्ड दैट डिस्क्राइब्स यू
incredible,
वन कंट्री यू वांट टू विजिट
Switzerland,
Okay, but why?
because I just googled there the Switzerland how it looks and it's so beautiful. I just want to visit the greenery and I love greenery, so that's why I want to visit Switzerland.
So, one app you cannot live without.
Instagram.
What's your biggest pet peeve?
Uh, this that be
Okay, so next
I
question. If
forgot.
you won 10 crore today, what's the first thing you would buy?
A home.
Huh? Okay, okay, acha,
Yes.
acha. What's the funniest word you know?
Shopper.
Acha. If you were invisible for one day, what would you do first and why?
I will slap the peoples and that I hate, and yes, I will irritate them.
Okay, so if you could read minds or become invisible, which would you choose?
Invisible.
Okay, so what's the weirdest food you have ever tried?
What is that? Sorry.
What was
Can you
your
repeat?
weirdest food you have ever tried?
I have tried.
Okay, so
Um,
what was your hidden talent?
I usually read minds of the people. This is my hidden talent.
Okay, so what's one thing you are secretly really good at?
Reading people body languages and their mind.
Okay, so if you would have dinner with your future self, what would you ask first?
Did we make it? The dreams that I once dreamt, and the dreams I once like have a vision. Things, did we achieve it or not? If not, then it's okay, and we will achieve it. So,
Okay, so what would like any advice would you give to your younger self?
um, don't get too attached to the people. People can come and go in your life, but it's okay. It's a life, not they're not. And we are here for test. No worries.
Okay, so describe your life right now in one word.
Boring.
Seriously, boring?
Yes.
ओके सो अब जो है वो आप आखिर में जो है वो एक मैसेज शेयर करना अगर चाहें हमारे व्यूअर्स के साथ तो वो आप एक छोटा सा मैसेज शेयर कर दें.
I love talking to you, Aisha, and I hope you can grow and succeed in your life. And I hope Allah will give you each and everything that you are dreaming right now. And Allah तुम्हारे नेक नसीब करे. And I hope your channel will grow and you can just achieve each and everything in your life. Amen.
Okay, thank you so much. So that brings us to the end of today's interview, and thank you so much for talking me the time join us and sharing your valuable experience and thoughts.
Um, I hope people will be kind to each another despite the realities they are facing. It's not their problem that the things you are facing right it's your problem, so you have to tackle it on your own. You can share your worries with others, but don't depend on others too much. It kind of suffocate them most of the time. And please deal with your situations and face each and everything with your own, but don't share things that you are thinking right now with your loved ones.
Yes. Okay, so thank you so much, and thank you so much for everyone for listening and watching me, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.